Model PFEIFER SP is equipped with a lock-closed feature. It is available with a load capacity of 300 kilograms and gripping ranges from 0 to 45 millimeters. The gripping elements must be wetted with an abrasive paper or a file every day. The load surface must be dry and free of dirt and lubricants. With the clamp open, you have to adjust the specially coated gripping elements to the load width plus 1 to 2 millimeters and then fix them with a locking nut. After closing the safety device, the clamp is firmly attached to the load, and it can be lifted. This model is very user-friendly for its application.